Hey guys, it's JP Does Keto. I woke up this morning, I weighed myself, and this is an update to the following Tom Daley's workout routine, 6 minutes. I follow 2 videos and I do them twice. So I do 12 times 2, which is 24 minutes a day of workout. It's now day 3. I started those workouts at 217.5. I am now 214. That is a 3.5 pound weight loss in like 3 days. That's a pound a day, essentially, a pound point whatever a day. I'm going to continue doing these because it's working. I've noticed I actually feel the workout in my abs. Even though I'm just doing the butt and leg exercises, I feel it all over my stomach as well, the sides of where my abs should be instead of my 6 roll. So yeah, I really love this routine and I think you would enjoy it too. So I would encourage you to do that routine. I know that there's a lot more 6-minute videos, but right now I'm just trying to ease into this whole exercise routine thing and exercise life. I've never done any type of exercising in my entire life, so this is really something new for me, and I'm telling you, it is crazy. And I've been I always wear my Fitbits with me, so I see the exercise and I see the progress and I see how many calories I'm burning, how many calories I'm consuming, and I'm always at a deficit, which is wonderful. Same with my macros. I attain the macros for keto perfectly most of the time. Some days they're too low, but I'm not hungry, so I'm not going to force myself to eat. Nobody should do that, even if you're supposed to attain a certain type of protein or a certain type of fat and carbs or whatever. Keep your carbs low, keep your fat okay, and keep your protein to the goal. Another benefit I found of doing exercise is that my skin is clearing up. I don't have that much acne anymore, which is weird. I really feel the endorphins pumping. Like, I am much happier than I used to be. Just because I wake up, have my coffee, go and do my exercise, have my protein shake for recovery, which is just a Vega all-in-one shake in the mocha flavor. It's a pea protein because I want to stay away from the whey protein, isolates and stuff like that. I just don't like the research I see on it, especially compared when you pair it with keto, so I find it wonderful. Tom Daley, thank you for making these videos so I can easily follow them at home and practice them and keep on my weight loss journey and my fitness goals. I want to be able to eventually actually be able to go to a gym and work out and actually be able to keep up, and I am getting near that goal. It's getting easier to do these exercises, mostly because I am now actually becoming active. And during quarantine, most of the things I just do is just Netflix and eat and sleep. So thank you for following me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you keep following me. And click that subscribe button, that notification bell that lets you know whenever I post a video, and keep up with me, just like you do with the Kardashians.